Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build an event registration app with Eventbrite, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with building an event registration app using Eventbrite, first, visit the Eventbrite website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button if you don't already have one. Once your account is created, log in to your Eventbrite dashboard. Now, select the Create Event option on the dashboard. Fill in the basic details of your event, such as the event name, date, time, and location. Choose the appropriate category and subcategory that best fits your event. Next, you'll see options for ticketing. Select Get Tickets to create a ticket type. Choose whether your tickets will be free or paid. If paid, set the price for your tickets and the quantity available. You can also customize ticket sales options, such as early bird pricing or promo codes. Scroll down to the Event Details section. Here, provide a description of your event to attract attendees. Add any images or videos that may enhance your event listing. Once all details are filled in, click on Publish to make your event live. To promote your event, look for the Promote tab on the dashboard. Use the various options to share your event link on social media and other platforms. Now, to integrate the registration app into your own platform, go to Manage Events. Navigate to the Apps section within your event settings. Here you will find the API keys necessary for building your app. Follow the provided documentation to set up the API in your application. Once you're finished with your app, test the registration process to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, monitor your event's ticket sales and attendee engagement through your Eventbrite dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.